Kids are little bundles of joy. Watching them play around gladdens our hearts. However, the stains they leave on our carpets are the ultimate nightmares. The good news is you need not worry about these stains ever again. Presto Carpet and Tile Cleaning will clean your carpets like magic. Presto Carpet and Tile Cleaning is a family and veteran-owned and operated business with over 15 years of carpet cleaning experience, based in Brentwood and providing services across California. By upholding our core values, excellence, honesty, quality, and service, we have earned hundreds of 5-star reviews across your favorite review sites. Our services include carpet cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, upholstery cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, hardwood floor cleaning, move-in out cleaning. We have no hidden charges. What you see is what you pay. As our clients can testify, it is an easy process to schedule an appointment with us. You can reach us with a simple phone call. We always answer the phone the first time, and you get an accurate estimate over the phone. We also send an email confirmation and text messages when we are on the way to your location. No matter the type of cleaning you need, the process will be smooth and stress-free. So whenever the kids play, you won't be worried. Presto Carpet and Tile Cleaning is only a call away. Call us today at 925-378-4998 or visit our website at www.prestocarpetcleaning.com. Your satisfaction guaranteed.